Okay, let's go.
This is Mia. She's 12, curious, and always dreaming big, especially about one thing: a shiny blue bike with a basket and streamers. But bikes like that don't grow on trees or magically appear in your driveway. One Saturday, while exploring her grandma's attic, Mia found something unexpected: an old jar labeled Dream Fund. Her grandma used to drop coins in it every day to save for her first sewing machine. That jar helped start her little shop, right from scratch. That day, Mia made a promise. I'll save $1 a day, no matter what. This jar is my dream jar now. At first, it was fun. She walked dogs, helped neighbors, even ran a lemonade stand. $1 a day, easy, right? But then came the temptations: toys, snacks, little things that whispered, "Buy me just this once." But Mia remembered her promise: $1 a day. Some days were harder. Money was tight. She even thought about giving up. But each time, she looked at the jar and saw not just glass, but hope. Day by day, dollar by dollar, the jar grew, not just in money, but in meaning. After 5 months, 150 days of saving, Mia walked into the bike shop and bought her dream ride. No loans, no begging, just the power of patience and $1 a day. Mia learned something magical. Saving doesn't have to start big. What matters is starting at all. So, what would you save for if you started with just $1 today?